Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera to panel. I'm Amirul Hakimi bin Rofi from DPU 5B G3. Our supervisor Encik Saiful Razwan bin Ismail. Today I want to represent our product, which is thermoelectric mixing storage. Firstly, introduction. Thermoelectric refrigerator are one of the latest advancement in modern world, and its maximum application are in transporting small element from one place to another place. Use electricity to thermoelectric mixing storage into refrigeration effect on other side based on Peltier effect and thermoelectric cooling. Next, the thermoelectric effect is the direct conversion of a temperature difference to electric voltage and vice versa. Lastly, the main advantage of a thermoelectric cooler compared to a vapor compression refrigerator are its lack of moving part or circulating liquid and its small size and flexible shape. Next slide, problem statement. We have 6 problem statement, which is sickness, consume medicine, quantity of medicine, place to store medicine, not the right temperature, prevent medicine from got bad. Next slide, objective. We have 5 objectives. First, to design and fabricate mini medicine storage using Peltier effect. Second, to identify a Peltier module of less power. Third, to choose the best solution for the medicine storage. Fourth, to design the medicine storage using SketchUp. Fifth, to use electricity to direct convert voltage applied on one side of the surface of Peltier into refrigeration effect on the other side based on Peltier effect and thermoelectric cooling. Next slide, scope of the project. We use Peltier TEC 12706 has a heat exchanger, CPU cooler and fans has a condenser, and polystyrene box has a body.
Thank you to Amirul Hakimi. Now I will go on to literature review. First, heatsink. Heatsink is a passive component that cools a device by dissipating heat into the surrounding air. Second, fin. Fin of a heatsink may be considered to be a flat plate with heat flowing in one end and being dissipated into the surrounding fluid as it travels to the other. Third, thermal paste. Thermal paste to improve the connection between the Peltier and heatsink. A special chemical called thermal paste should be used. Fourth, Peltier. The Peltier effect occurs whenever electrical current flows through two dissimilar conductors. The flow of electricity causes one side to get hot and the other get cold. Fifth, polystyrene. Polystyrene also is made into a foam. Foam polystyrene can be more than 95% of air and is widely used to make home and applicable appliances insulation. Last, power supply. Power supply to convert electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current and frequency to power the load.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imran Yahya and my student ID is 01DPU18F1049. So for the next explanation, I will explain about methodology. In this methodology, we have final design and procedure. So this is our final design. This is from the top view. This is from the right and back view. This is from left and back view. This is from the front view. And this is the video of our design. Okay, so next I will explain about the procedure of our project. Okay, the first step is buy all the equipment and then make a hole at the body for heatsink and peltier. After that, we build the base, and the next is we install all the electrical component, and after that we combine the heatsink and the peltier. After done combining the peltier and heatsink, we install the heatsink to the body, and after that we install the thermostat. Next we place all the component, and lastly we test run the project and collect data.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Afif Ashraf bin Abdullah. Metric number 01DPU18F1059. I will continue the presentation with actual cost. Our project costs around RM233.80. Next, the result and data. We can see here there are some differences between our storage and normal fridge. Some of them are our storage is easy to carry, lightweight, no moving parts as this use peltier as cooling element, no need any maintenance, less energy use and less space required. Next, this is our data. We measure the temperature drop inside the storage for about 1 hour. The result, we achieve to go as low as 14.6 degrees Celsius. Lastly, discussion and conclusion. We can conclude that this project is successfully achieved temperature range of 15 to 18 degrees Celsius. Secondly, it is useful for every household. Next, the lifetime of the medicine will be longer. And lastly, we can avoid wasting medicines. Thank you.